Hi, I'm Kat and I love my Instant Pot. My Instant Pot is only capable of extreme jealousy, occasional horniness, and indifference. So I have to amuse myself sometimes by thinking of a life that is happier and outside and away from here. If I have a food truck, I could go anywhere and I could eat and be with people and breathe air that is not filtered into me. It would be a beautiful life. So today, I'm going to dream up what my favorite food truck would be. I don't know how to do it. I bet there's someone out there who could tell me how to do it. Hi, Andrew Zimmern!
Hi, Kat.
Thanks for coming.
You needed me here, let's be honest.
Have you met Instant Pot?
Nice to see you.
Instant Pot is happy to meet you and also pretty jealous.
Instant Pot should be jealous. I'm wearing a nicer jacket than Instant Pot is. What we should do is just feed him. He just wants food put inside of him.
We all need things put inside of us.
You said that right. You have some unusual ingredients here. Do you want to tell me about them?
I've got heart. Lots of heart.
You have enough heart to fill an ocean.
What's the ocean?
It's big and it's blue, and someday, if everything works out and the doctors say so, you'll get to see it. There's a couple of them, so odds are looking in your favor. Do you know what kind of heart this is?
It's from a bird.
It's chicken heart, and this, I'm guessing, is a pig heart from the size of it. This looks like a very cleaned aorta, but you can see here from a larger animal, from a cow. I don't want to say it smells like a swimming pool, but
What's a swimming pool?
it's a smaller ocean. Now, are you allowed to use the knife?
You're here, so it's okay.
Okay, that's fantastic. And maybe an odd question, but why is Instant Pot on a skateboard?
Instant Pot's a food truck today.
Oh, because it's actually food on trucks. Do you have a recipe that you want to follow?
Yes, I'm allowed one cookbook a year. And this one is from Mr. James Beard.
Oh, fantastic. I had a chance to meet him when I was little Andrew Zimmern, because my dad was friends with him.
What's it like having parents? Sometimes Instant Pot's my parent. Sometimes Instant Pot's my lover. Sometimes Instant Pot is something else that I don't understand. I'm like a surgeon.
You are.
Open heart surgeon.
And you're being very safe with your thumb there, which is good, because we'd hate to cut that off while I'm here with you.
That would be bad. There aren't doctors.
There are. Do you want to split it open into two halves and then take it from there?
Drew, no one ever asked me what I want.
You know what? I'll do it, because then I could say, Kat Kinsman, I broke your heart.
It was already broken. You broke it more.
Do you want to just chop that?
Yes.
When you're doing that, let's try not to be thinking of other people that you don't like.
I love everyone.
Okay, that's
except for Morrissey.
Yeah, he's not, we could kick his ass. He's not that tough.
Dick Cheney gets nothing also. Who else is bad?
The President of the United States.
Who's the president?
It's a long story.
Mr. James Beard likes ginger.
Okay.
And pepper. And garlic. We're not putting any salt in this, not because we're monsters, because it's built into the soy sauce. People who cook without salt are monsters. Isn't that right?
That is correct. I see you have soy sauce and you have vinegar.
Sherry vinegar, because we're fancy.
Do you let it marinate and sit for a little while before it goes in Instant Pot, or do you just go right into Instant Pot?
I put it in there, and then it's later.
Okay. Smells great, by the way.
Smelling things is nice. I bet you smell good. Can I smell you?
Yes, of course you can.
You smell like human. It's time for Instant Pot to join the fun.
I love mine.
You have Instant Pot too? Instant Pot lives with you too?
A cousin, a friend cousin. Let's keep it simple. Friend, cousin, buddy.
Instant Pot are like the Borg. They all share a consciousness, so you know Instant Pot too.
Yeah, your Instant Pot definitely talks to my Instant Pot, that's for sure. That is some nice spatula work. I think your OT has been going really, really well.
Instant Pot decides things for me, and then I decide to get really good at them, or else.
If you throw sugar in there, it's sort of like the holy trinity of Asian braising.
Should we throw sugar in there? You're the boss who is the judge who knows the things, so yes.
But you don't have sugar.
Instant Pot, can we have some sugar, please?
Sure thing, Kat. There you go. I know, life is amazing sometimes, isn't it?
If I did that at a food truck, would people
line up? They'd give you money, and then you could take that money and you could pay the guard at the front door to let you out and see the ocean.
Now it's time to dance.
Let's get a little more soul in there.
What's a soul? Mr. Andrew Zimmern, you seem so familiar. You live in the little box.
I'm from the land of the magic little box. That's right, Kat.
You got let out.
I did get let out. Have you seen my newest show, Big Food Truck Tip? It's on Food Network, and I do a show there called Big Food Truck Tip.
Do you tip over big food trucks?
I do, and they're asleep at night. They don't even know they've been pushed. Not only do I get to show people great food on trucks, but we profile the lifestyle and the people behind the stories behind the food.
Is this real life?
No, it's a fantasy. Yeah, we're caught in a landslide. There's no escape from reality. Open your mind, look up to the sky and see.
I see a little silhouette of an hen.
Scaramouche, Scaramouche, do the fandango. Thunderbolts and lightning, very, very frightening. Hey!
What does it feel like to be safe?
I have no fucking clue.
It's time to release the hearts.
Whatever you're on, you gotta bottle it, because I want some.
It's released!
You're allowed to use the knife, because I was told by security downstairs.
There's a downstairs?
I spoke too soon. No, not really. Are you allowed to use the torch?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Just don't get too close to your left hand. And you want to hear that. Let it char. You want to see that charred stuff. Yeah.
Thanks, Instant Pot. Thanks, Andrew Zimmern.
Are you allowed to get high on your own supply here?
Drugs are bad.
Yeah, I'm talking about food. Everyone's favorite anti-anxiety medication. Food.
Yes. Andrew Zimmern, eat your heart out.
Aw, you crazy kid. I love you.